All right, now let's talk with meteorologist Matt Breland. Matt, you know what I was thinking of? It is hot, it's humid, but there's no weather impact alert days, so that's good. I'll take that.
Right, we'll take that. Anytime there's a weather impact alert, you need to pay attention.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, exactly.
But thankfully, that's not in the forecast today. As a matter of fact, just check out our temperatures that we have happening for us right now. These temperatures are continuing to stay into the upper 80s for us across Kentuckiana. So this is going to be around as we continue going throughout the remainder of this 12 p.m. hour. But as we settle later on into the day, we're going to start seeing these clouds building more and more into our sky. So here's a look across most of Kentucky. You'll notice those clouds starting to arrive farther towards our south. Those are going to be sticking around for most of our southern counties through the remainder of this 12 p.m. time. I wouldn't be surprised if a few of them develop a bit further closer towards the Ohio River. But that's really all we're expecting today. Not really keeping rain chances in the forecast for this afternoon. Those will be arriving as we head into our day tomorrow. So the humidity increases today. The heat increases today. The rain showers return tomorrow. We should have just enough moisture back into the air by tomorrow to bring back the humidity just enough to bring in the rain showers once again. But notice the drop in humidity by Monday. That's because we're going to be tracking more of a dry setup that arrives with us as we head into the later parts of next week. So temperatures are going to start warming up though. You're going to notice a hot pattern for today and for tomorrow. Combine that heat, combine that humidity, and you're going to get some hotter weather that feels even hotter. So we're expecting temperatures to start feeling like the upper 90s as we head into our Thursday and Friday. Feeling better for Saturday and Sunday, feeling like the upper 80s for our Monday. So let's go ahead and walk you through these details for the rest of our Wednesday. As I mentioned, we're going to stay dry for the remainder of the day. Later into the night, we're settling back into the 70s. We'll be starting tomorrow morning off with temperatures into the 70s as well, but a few additional clouds through the morning, and then the afternoon, those clouds start popping in with more shower activity. They'll be very brief, those typical summertime showers that pop in through the afternoon. They're about 20 to 30 miles separated from each other, and then we'll see them start to fade away just into our sunset hours. Now later on into the night, into our Friday morning, those south winds are still continuing to bring in a lot of moisture. So we're doubling the rain chances for summertime showers and storms for Friday afternoon. I'd say between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. we're going to be dealing with those on and off showers that are likely going to be clustered together for us a bit more across Kentuckiana. So throughout our Saturday, we'll see them start to fade away, and then we'll be settling into more of an average setup for our weekend. Our Thursday continues to stay mostly quiet with those isolated showers, but there will be a very small threat for some excessive rain showers that will be associated with those downpours. So that's something to keep in mind as we head into our Friday. We're going to keep that trend around with those elevated rain chances. And then Saturday and Sunday, we'll see those temperatures return back from the upper 80s into the lower 90s on Sunday. Temperatures back in the mid 80s by Tuesday. That's a quick look at the next 7 days. Remember, you can always get more weather details at WHAS11.com/weather. We'll be right back after the break.